Welcome to this tutorial about how to purchase precious metals with your e-wallet. Now, you first, of course, have to log into your Utopian Global account, and then you have to check how much fund you have available to purchase. So you're going to do that under your account. You go to Payout and Funding, and there you see your account balance. Now, your account balance comes from two things. Either you have funded your account, that means you have done a bank wire to Utopian Global and have sent money over, or you have available funds from, or funds in the e-wallet from your commissions which you have received from building the network. That is the two ways you can receive here the commissions. As you see here, there's 167 euros in this account, and there's no existing pending funds at the moment. So let's go ahead to precious metals. So we're going to go to precious metals now, and we're going to go here. We see the overview, obviously, which is the last gold prices. So you see here the pricing of the last date which was set, which is 35.37 per gram, and we want to go to purchase. So let's go and purchase, and let's go to this side. We see here again the gold prices, we see the silver prices, we see the gray note here. Please note that the prices shown here are Argus Refinery Last Order London Bullion Market Associate pricing, meaning that the price is set at the market of that given day. Saturdays, Sundays is closed. That means if you do order Friday afternoon or Saturday, Sunday, the next time that order will be actually, or that purchase will be made on behalf of Utopian Global is going to be Monday, if of course the Monday doesn't fall on a holiday. Why? Well, because Utopian Global is giving you the exact pricing, of course, and prices are set Monday to Friday. So of course, as gold and silver, precious metals do change in price, and we want to always give you the most fair and best pricing. So let's go to agree here. I agree with Utopian Global website policies, terms and conditions, and refund, and automatically it opens up those payment options. Now we said we're going to do the payment option e-wallet. Now we have checked before in the e-wallet there were around 167 in there. So what we're going to go now and do is we're going to click e-wallet, and we're going to put in, let's say, 25 euros. So what we will do is now we're going to just click that buy button over here. That's all what we have to do. It's nothing else. It's not complicated. We just go here and buy, and we see automatically we have actually here the order placed. So that's all you do, but that doesn't mean that immediately again you will see that gold in your account, because remember, that is being purchased once the price has been fixed on that day. So, for example, right now it is recording. It is a Thursday night. So, a Thursday night here, I'm right now in Germany. There's no pricing fixing. So, the next day, when around 11, 12 o'clock, the new pricing of that new day on the London Bullion Market is set. Well, I'm going to get that pricing for my order which I just purchased. This is the way it actually does work. So I hope that tutorial helped you, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.